Hi, this is Brett from Premium Squared Consulting. To be honest, the slide I'm about to share with you, we developed some time ago, just talking about the human interaction in OKRs. But in reviewing this slide, I think it's completely appropriate as a storyline of what AI does as a component of helping us in the OKR world. Now, I understand a lot of heavy metal thinking has gone into AI and parallels to human thinking, and I'm not trying to compete with that body of knowledge or that experience. I'm not at that level. I can merely talk about the narrow scope of work around OKRs, and this is what it is I see. If we try to chart on the left side sort of the sophistication of interaction we have with the strategy, and across the bottom, the value of each type of interaction. And there's sort of 6 steps to this. One is just the ability for an individual, but now I'm going to put it in the AI context, your AI system, to remember and recall information about your organization and decisions, discussions made. That's sort of at the low interaction, low contribution level. But that's even a plus because we do have, faults with our human memory. The next level of AI contribution is to begin giving us a level of understanding where it can create some meaning using our OKR information. And again, it's not wisdom, it's understanding, just helping you understand what has gone on and that context. The next step would be AI to begin helping us apply that. So based on the understanding, what it might mean in terms of what we might do to adjust targets, adjust OKRs, adjust ownership, adjust a RACI model. From there, the next step is being able to analyze it. So examine the business problems and understand what we call the nexus, the network of cause and effect relationships that performance has. The step above that is AI beginning to evaluate, make decisions for us, or at least semi-decisions about different aspects of it. And if you want to know more about that, go to the video about the 6 personas, because this is beginning to get into that evaluation step. And then finally, the ability for the AI tool, to begin to create stuff. So begin to create our OKRs based on our strategy and the 5 levels that have taken us to that step. Now, to make that happen, there's a series of competencies that the system needs to do. And, the simplest is just being able to, recognize. As it moves up, it needs to be able to interpret. The next step beyond that is being able to, choose, make some implementation guidelines, be able to solve and generalize. Beyond that, the AI tool now needs to begin to doing investigative work, being able to classify, experiment, simplify, differentiate, deconstruct. Move on to being able to prioritize and critique, and then finally move to that idea of being able to build and construct. So again, this was designed to talk about how we as humans interact, but I think I'm beginning to see this is the same journey that our client work around AI is progressing, and we can actually scale with different clients, the level that they're at, and also we can take a look at our level of data science and expertise gradually progressing. It's pretty easy for us now to get to number 4. We're kind of edging on number 5, and some of our clients are already experimenting with number 6.